谢谢。
Welcome to Chongqing.
Guys, these are so sweet, delicious. Okay. Sweet. Okay, wait. Guys, I'm looking for my meal. I take a picture of these dumplings. They are really good, guys.
Take a phone to you.
Oh, yeah. Chongqing. Come, take it. Guys, one good thing about Chinese, they will give you a lot of food. You will feel satisfied with your money. I think this was for 22 RMB. Then this is for 68 in total. It is 90. Oh, 90 is about mitwalo mwenda. No, right? Mitwalo is satu. 30k. This is all for 30,000, guys. Ugandan shillings. Don't you think it is too much for me? Anyway, let's eat. I want to rush. Go to. Very nice, guys. Very nice. I love it. Guys, the weather is really bad. Can't even do anything for myself. Ooh. 24 hours. Can you see the rain? It is raining even now. Let me go back to my hotel. It is right up there. I need to go now and find a taxi. I think I'll just pass here. Anyway, let me first go and see. At least that is raining, but at least I will just go there and see. But according to my observation, wait, I need to take a picture of these flowers. Guys, by now you all know how much I love flowers, trees and nature. So whenever I find a tree or a flower, I must take a picture of it. Okay guys. Yeah, just taking the tour of the neighborhood. I think I'm just going to come here taxi. Oh, they are even passing. I will just stop one. I tell it to take me like that one. The speed they are using is too much. Okay guys, but for now, let's see. Maybe I can also use that one. Okay, guys, let me go back to my. It's getting cold. Ooh. 24. I'm just up there on the 10th floor. Yeah, let's.